Dynamic workflow is the critical part of the Zelo platform. This video shows the various options of how the user can navigate through the workflow in our application. Now entering Inbox to get the requests to be processed assigned to the user. First, let's check where the request sits within the workflow by displaying the workflow diagram, a user-friendly feature to enhance customer experience. Request is in its starting point. The first option to progress the request in the workflow is to use the Action button option Workflow while the request is open. Hitting one of the action buttons, the workflow action is triggered. A success confirmation message appears at the bottom right corner. Checking the diagram, workflow has progressed to the next step. The second option to move forward is the right-click on the request displayed on the grid and choose the workflow option in the context menu. After workflow action execution, check the diagram for the status change. The third option is to select the request by ticking the box on the left and clicking the Action button option Workflow. Again, diagram check for progress. Option 4 is similar to option 3. Select the request in the tick box and use the Workflow button on the breadcrumbs bar. Configuration of the workflow action, amongst others, includes a feature to select the next step approver from the list of authorized users. After execution of the workflow step, check the request detail on assigned user, i.e. approver for the current step. Moving forward, option 5. Using the workflow button on the breadcrumbs bar while the request is open. Another workflow configuration feature is to enforce comment prior the action execution. The user is notified by a warning message at the bottom right corner. Filling the comment, saving and actioning the workflow again, it is possible to progress further. Finally, check the progress on the workflow diagram. These were some of the options and features available for the user to navigate through the workflow in Zelo.